My life right now is preparing to snowboard.
Dude, really?
I spend 95% of my time shoveling and traveling, and the other 5% strapped in and actually snowboarding. For the kids that think snowboarding is just this, oh, I go up and ride every day, it's not that. Got up this morning, got a call from Bryan Iguchi saying Jackson got a little reset. It's May 1st. Snow is horrible in Salt Lake. We're driving to Jackson to see if we can get something. Good.
The word is, it's clear, cold, and lower. We're in Flagstaff, secret location in Flagstaff. Nobody's ever hit this jump before. Super progressively next level.
Came back to Utah for a final spring session, and we went up to Logan to this zone that's been filmed year after year after year. Crew was Bjorn, Randy Van Nerden, aka Killer, and myself. We ended up building one jump that's been hit a whole bunch. We ended up having Turkowski head up in the tree with a deer stand. It actually turned out pretty sweet. It was like 50, 60 feet in the air, it seemed like. Got just a unique angle, and it turned out pretty rad for everyone. Chris Grenier came up one day, pounded some beers, burned some gas, moral support. It was pretty sick.
Fantastic! Woo! Woo! It's going down! It's going down like the Catalina wine mixer.
Focus, I'll let him focus.
Sometimes I just straight up lose it in the landings if I don't land a trick after too many tries. And if I don't let it out, it just builds up, and pretty soon I just shut down. Or if I just let it out and go crazy for a while and throw my fist and smash a shovel, it ends up kind of rejuvenating me and get me back to ground zero so I can get the job done.
Copper is a conductor and makes for decent cooking. Dazzled by your beauty, still you know.
Whistler is a go-to spot for most snowboarders just because there's so much terrain there. It's just loaded with jumps and drops and cliffs and lines. It's just easy access. It's right all in one location. For the 10 days up in Whistler, I was snowboarding with Sweetin, Austen Sweetin, and Austen Hironaka. So after Whistler, we decided to put the sleds away for a bit and head up to Valdez, Alaska. It was Bjorn Leines, Austen Sweetin, and myself.
I tell you a secret about Fargo. We're nuts.